Today's Monday, August 31st. This is the 1970 Cadillac 472 General Motors heads for the big block 472 engine, casting number 1495950. These heads have been completely remachined for high integrity surface flatness. It includes beautiful surface finishes on the exhaust manifold faces. It includes remachining of the bottom mount face for squareness and flatness. Okay, all of the valve guides have been replaced in the seals, and a 3-axial valve job conducted on all of the valves. So this is a beautiful example of a fully restored show quality 1970 Cadillac 472 head. There's the back surface, fully machined. Okay, and both of these units are left and right mirror images of each other. The engine originally had 43,000 miles. It was in beautiful condition as is, but I went ahead and had these reconditioned for a full restoration in order to advance them to the next Cadillac owner. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items in my collection, over 375,000 Cadillac items overall from 1959 to 1978. I have completely rebuilt engines, transmissions, including the Eldorado front-wheel drive transmission, as well as the final drive differential, including, of course, the 429 engines, complete, and heads, separate or unified, as well as the 472 rotating blocks, heads separate or as a unified, fully restored engine, as well as the massive 8.2 liter 500 cubic inch engine. Okay, so these beautiful heads will be advanced to the next serious Cadillac owner who needs a high quality engine restoration. Today is Monday, August 31st. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.